Hey, so today we're going to look at my Polysix wavetables, and I'm going to show you how to use them in Ableton Wavetable Synthesizer. They also work in Vital and Serum if you have those ones, and I believe Pigments. That generally wavetables will be compatible with a bunch of different synths, and mine are no exception. So let's show you how to use them in Ableton Wavetable. Basically, if you've downloaded my Polysix wavetables, you'll have this folder. So just put it in your browser somewhere, and then if you just drag one of the wavetables on, okay, and then you need to click raw because it won't load correctly if you don't do that. So please don't complain to me if you're playing with them without raw being ticked. You'll get something out of it, but it's really not how it's supposed to sound. So once raw is ticked, you're good. And you can really just scroll through that whole folder now. You can also just grab this drop-down menu and check out my wavetable. So here's an example. So yeah, it's really as simple as doing that. When you save a patch, they don't save in the patch, but if you keep the wavetables in the same location, it should be fine. If not, I'm sure you'll be able to relink it. Ableton's generally pretty good with that. So it's really as simple as that. Once you've got that, you can make patches with them. You don't have to credit me, go nuts, like use these sounds in your own patches for Wavetable. I'd be keen to hear them. And just link to my pack maybe if you do, but it's all good. What I'm also going to show you are the wavetable packs I made for Producer Hive, which are a lot more comprehensive than the Polysix wavetables. They're not free, they'll cost you, but they're not too expensive either. And you'll be giving me money, which is awesome. So this is a much more comprehensive collection. You can see I've got different synth names and stuff in there, and they work the same way. You can just drag one of these in, and now we've got that whole volume. And I've got 3 volumes. If you really want like a library of analog synth sounds in particular, you can get these. I recorded like all my analog synth samples. I record at 96 kilohertz. And I made my own max patch for extracting them because I was never able to get good enough results with, the other alternatives out there. Like, please let me know if you know of something that's really good for turning samples into wavetables. But I just want to stress I was very careful about how I extracted them. There's a lot of, trial and error to make sure I got, good results. So they have my quality guarantee. And yeah, I'm really proud of them. I think it's a great collection. It took a long time writing all these names as well. But I hope you have fun with them. So I've got 2 analog packs with Producer Hive, these ones here, from various synthesizers, including Alpha Juno, as you can see there, JXVP, Prophet 08, Volca Bass, Future Retro XS, all these synths I've managed to get my hands on over the years and create like samples for specifically for wavetables so I can kind of get the sound of the filters and the detuned sawtooth oscillators and all the things we love, because I really love those things. And that's why I made these packs. And yeah, these took a lot of effort. So, you're going to have to pay for them. But once you get them, you can make your own patches and stuff. You don't need to buy a license for that or anything. If you're free to use them once you bought them. Again, I'd love to hear what you make with them. Please let me know. Please give us a shout out, MGF Audio and Producer Hive with these wavetable packs. So yeah, really simple stuff with Wavetable. So much potential with this synthesizer. I really love it. But for now, yeah, have fun with my free Polysix wavetables. Also, another free pack I made with Producer Hive that I should shout out is this Producer Hive Synthwave wavetables pack. So if you need some, free wavetables, this is a pretty good one. I'm pretty happy with this one. And they've been pretty popular as well. So grab the Producer Hive Synthwave wavetables if you want some cool sounds for synthwave and all sorts of genres, I guess. I think they're pretty versatile. So yeah, have fun with the wavetables and Ableton's Wavetable synthesizer. Thanks for watching, and I'll be hopefully making more videos because I've got a new computer now and it's really good. So it can actually handle this stuff.